I hope you all are doing great. Myself Shailaja Dhumal and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. So children, I hope you are settled with pencil, eraser, literacy book kit. Okay, so shall we begin our session? Okay. So children, in the previous session what we have learned, can anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. In the previous session we have learned the content which is word puzzle, and afterwards one more content we have learned, unscrambled word. Okay, there was the homework also on word puzzle and unscrambled word. So I hope you have completed those homework also. Yes. So children, today we are going to learn a very interesting content. So are you ready for that? Okay. Now come to page number 24. Take your literacy skill book and come to page number 2424. Have you opened this page, children? Yes. See, this is a fun time, right? So what we have to do is match the animals with their names. Okay, children? So see, duck, here are the words. D-U-C-K duck, F-I-S-H fish, C-R-A-B crab, T-U-R-T-L-E turtle. Okay, children? Now tell me, which picture is this? Is this a turtle? Is this a fish? Is this a me? Or is that you? Then, yes, very nice. This picture is we called as a duck. This is a picture of duck. So what you have to do is, can you see these beautiful lines? What do you think? Why they have given this worksheet to us? And why it is there? Come on, tell me. Because you come to know the names of this picture, as well as what you have to do is, you have to join in front of that word. So what you have to do is, take your crayons, okay, take your crayons and with the beautiful color, you have to match it. Okay, children? So, see, I have here red color, I will take red color. Now, which picture is this? This is a duck. What? D-U-C-K duck. Say, D-U-C-K duck, D-U-C-K duck. Sorry. Now, where is the line of duck? See, here it is goes and end here. So, what you have to do is, you have to color it beautifully. So, children, now what I will do like this only, but you have to color it beautifully. Okay, children? Yes, I am trying to give beautiful color here from this pen. Okay. Now next picture. Which picture is this, children? Is this a fish or turtle? Fish. Very nice. So what is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. So from here to here we will join. Okay, children? See. Yes, I took black crayon. I was having black. Okay. You have to color this. Okay, children, can you see this white line? That white line you have to color with beautiful crayons. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? This is a turtle. Very good. So, where is the turtle spelling? Here it is. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Okay. So, I will take yellow color from here to here. Wow. It's looking beautiful, right, children? So you also use different colors. Okay. You can use whichever color you like. Okay. Now last one, which one is? Is this a starfish? Then crab. Very nice. So what is the spelling of crab? C-R-A-B, crab. Okay. I have only 3 colors. So I'll take again black. Okay. So from here to here. I hope you have completed with me, children. Okay, now keep your pencil down and look at to the board. Come on everyone. See, repeat after me. Which picture is this? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. Okay, come to next picture. Which picture is this? This is a fish. Where is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. This is a fish. This is a fish. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? From here to here. Come on, read the spelling. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. Okay. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Crab. From here to here it is. What is the spelling of crab? C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Say, this is a crab. This is a crab. Okay, children, have you completed this? Now come to page number 2525. Have you opened this page, children? Okay. Now, this is so important content. Okay, there is one new concept today. Come on. Now look at to the board. Keep pencil downside for a minute. See, children. Fun with words. Yes. Here one word is there. But from that word, what we have to do? We have to do some fun with those words. How? I am going to explain you. See, make as many 2 or 3 letter words from the given word. Make as many 2 or 3 letter words from the given word. So children, can you see this? Can you see this picture? Yes? Will you please tell me which picture is this? Come on. Is this a butterfly or caterpillar? Very nice, caterpillar. Yes, so these are the caterpillars. This is the picture of caterpillars. Okay, and this is the, here you can see the word caterpillar. Yes, so what is this? In this worksheet, what we have to do is, we have one word which is caterpillar. Okay, from that word, what we have to do is, we have to make 2 letter words and 3 letter words as much as we can, as many as we can. Okay, यहाँ पे caterpillar ये word दिया गया है and ये पूरे word में से हमें हर एक letter का या फिर इस word का use करके 2 letter या 3 letter के words बनाने हैं, जितने हमें possible हो सके उतने. Okay, so shall we begin, children? I hope you understand this worksheet question. Okay, so one word they have given here, one example it is there, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. This we got the 3 letter words. Okay, so again we will try to write more words. Okay, children, come on, think, use your logic, observe keenly. Yes, come on, say me the words. I know the words, but you have to try, right? We have learned many vocabularies. Come on, think, use your logic. Come on. C-A-T, cat we got. Yes. Yes. See, children. C-A-T, cat. C-A-P, cap. A-T-E, A-T, at. 2 letter words we got. So first we will write 3 letter words. Okay, children. So C-A-T, cat we got. Now write here C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Yes? Next, A-T-E, at. Give one comma. A-T-E, at. See, children, 2 words we got. One already cat was there. Next, C-A-P, cap we made. Afterwards, A-T-E, at. A-T-E, at. Next. Come on, think. Think and tell me. See, T word is there. We can make T-E-A. Tea. चाय पीते हैं ना हम लोग घर पे. Yes. Right here. T-E-A. Tea. So this is so easy. Just you have to think. हमने जितने भी vocabularies पढ़े हैं ना चिल्ड्रन अब तक, उसमें से आप थोड़ा सा याद करने की कोशिश करो. कम ऑन. हम लोग और कौन से वर्ड्स बना सकते हैं? CAT cat, CAP cap, ATE ate, TEAT. Again, come on, think. From T, one more word is there. TIP tip. From EAR ear. We are going to use each letter of this word. Okay. So tip. Sorry, T is completed. Now tip. T-I-P. Tip. Give one comma. Next, from letter E, which word is there? E-A-R. Ear. Sorry. E-A-R. Ear. Correct. One more word is there. First write E-A-R. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. One more word is there from letter E, which is era. E-R-A. Era. Finish. Now next, R. RIP. रिप भी हो सकता है ना? अगेन क्या हो सकता है? कम ऑन थिंक. RIP. राइट फर्स्ट. RIP रिप. R से एक लड़की का नाम भी हो सकता है. कम ऑन थिंक. वी कैन राइट द नेम ऑफ वन गर्ल ऑल्सो. रिया. R-I-A. Riya. Okay. Now R word also finish. Next letter P. Come on. From P. P-T pet. Yes. P-E-T. Pet. Come on, think what we can, again, how many words are there from letter P? Yes. From letter P, tell me the words. Picture निकालते ना. So short form we can use PIC pic. PIC pic. Okay children. Next. I, letter I double L, ill. We can use this also. मतलब बीमार रहना, बीमार पड़ना. I double L, ill. Again, tell me one word. फ्रिज में क्या होता है? क्यूब्स कौन से होते हैं? What we call to those cubes? Yes, ice cubes. I-C-E. I-C-E. Give one full stop. Okay, we have completed 3-letter words. Okay, C-A-T, cat. Come on, repeat after me. C-A-T, cat. C-A-P, cap. A-T, at. T-E-A-T. T-I-P, tip. हमने क्या किया है चिल्ड्रन? यहाँ पे जो पूरा वर्ड दिया है कैटरपिलर, उसमें से हमने हर एक लेटर का वर्ड तैयार किया है. 3-letter words. Okay. Next, E-A-R, ear. E-R-A, era. R-I-P, rip. R-I-A, Riya. P-T, pet. P-I-C, pic. I-double-L, ill. I-C-E, eyes. Very good. Have you completed till here, children? I hope you have completed. Okay. Now, there is one homework for you. which is remaining words you have to write in 2-letter words. Okay, just one example I'll give you. AT at, we got AT at, so this side you write 2-letter words. Say AT at and give one full stop. AT at. Okay, so these are the 3-letter words, and remaining this column you have to write 2-letter words. Okay, what was the question? Make as many 2 or 3-letter words. So 3-letter words we have completed here. And why first we have completed 3-letter only? Because here one example was there, CAT cat. So this column we made for 3-letter words. Remaining one column is there. In that column you have to complete 2-letter words. One example I gave you, AT at. Okay children? So from each letter you take one letter, and from that how many words you know, those 2-letter words you have to write. Okay? Yes. So children, I hope you understand what was our content. Today our concept was fun time. Yes. And what we have done, match the animals with their names. Duck, fish, crab and turtle. This picture we saw today and we match in front of the picture. If you have not completed your coloring work, you have to complete that. Okay. Afterwards, caterpillar word. From the caterpillar word we prepared 2-letter words and 3-letter words, and one homework was given to you. You have to complete at your home. Okay. So we are concluding here. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.